Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the quick, easy, and simple way to create a website for a pool cleaning service. So if you need to make a website for a pool cleaning service, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how using Mighty Sites. It's a really easy use platform that's only $9 a month. So you can have a nice, simple, professional website for your business without breaking the bank and with creating it really simply and easily. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to go here. I'm going to search for the right template. So here's the pool cleaning service website template. And I just enter in the name of my business. So Keegan's Pool Cleaning. And then I'm going to put in where I'm located. Let's just say Denver, Colorado. Type of business, this is a service. I'm going to click continue. And just like that, the Mighty Sites website builder is actually going to simply and easily create a professional website for my pool cleaning service business. So you can see, just like that, I can be up and running in no time. So as you can see here, now if I go to inspect, it's all mobile friendly too. So this website is all built to work really well on a smartphone, look really nice, and have everything you need to get started. So all these images are pre-licensed to use, but you can always switch them out as well if you prefer something different. So first thing I'm going to do is just show you how to update all this. So let's just say you want to add your contact information. So I'll add my email address to the top. You just point and click at where I want to edit. Now I want my email address to show. Let's say I want my phone number to show as well. Just include my phone number, click save. I can also add my address if I want. I can add my links. So let's just link to my Twitter account. So I'll save my social links. Now my social media is included. I'll jump down to this next section here, and I think it might be helpful if I add a logo. So if you have a logo, you can add it. If you don't, I'd suggest you check out canva.com. It makes it really easy to create a logo. So I'm just going to go over here to logo, and I'm just going to type in pool. So you can see here are some really nice, simple pool cleaning service templates that I can use. So I'll just go with this one because I think that works really well. So just drag that over, and then I'll just put pool. And then I'll edit this text right here. Next, cleaning service. So now just like that, I can create a logo. So I'll just call this pool cleaning logo. And then I'll just go over here, download it as a JPEG. And now I'll return to my Mighty Sites website, simply browse my computer, look at my downloads, pool cleaning logo, there it is, open it up, and save my logo, and there it is. Now I can make it bigger by clicking these buttons, I can make it smaller, and then I can see it's a little too small, so I think I need to crop it. So I'm going to click right here on this pencil. This is going to open up a whole bunch of image and logo editing tools built right into the system. Again, this is all included for you. So I can just go down here and I will just edit this image a little bit, kind of crop it together. There we go. I think that looks good. And now I'm done. And it'll save and re-upload my new cropped image. Just click save logo. And there we go. Now I can see that it's been cropped for me. So I think that works a little bit better now. So now I've got the top part put together. I think that's looking really nice. I can go over here to the main hero. And again, if I want to change the colors, let's just say I want a brighter blue than that blue I was using. I can switch over to this one. Let's just say if I want to use a red or earth tone colors, there's all these different color palettes that you can choose from. So just pick the one that makes the most sense for your business and go from there. So now let's just edit this hero. I'm just gonna make this a little shorter and call this swimming pool cleaning service. And then your go-to service for a perfect pool. I like that. And then for the image, let's just say I want this to view pricing, right? I could do that. And then I can upload a PDF right there of my pricing that people could view. Let's just say I want that to say call for service. Then I could choose this link and I could have it link actually just to my phone number to call, so I could confirm that, click save. And now if somebody's on a mobile device and they click on call for service, it'll actually just call me. For any of these sections, I can update the text. I can use it if I want to, but let's just go in here and say, this is how you make a website for a pool cleaning service. So I've entered that information there. The contact button, I can choose where I want that to link. I can either, leave it linking to contact, or maybe I want to send that to my lead form. So I'll just put lead form section, confirm, save. If I close that, now if somebody clicks on contact us, it comes right here to my lead form for my website, which is really nice. All of these images can be changed, or you can leave them, whichever you prefer. And then if I go down here, you can edit any of these image, text. And one of the really nice parts, if I just type in my information here, this is where customers can go, and this is how your website will help you generate leads. Is I'll just go in there and type in my name, type in my phone number, and then say I need a pool cleaning service. And now as soon as I click send, the customer is going to see a nice little message there, and you will get an email saying you have a new lead from your website. So if I stop editing and go to the site dashboard, you'll actually get an email that'll bring you right to your leads dashboard, where you can see new customer names, emails, phone numbers for all of the new leads that you're getting for your business from your website. You can also connect a custom domain, so you can connect your domain from Google Domains, GoDaddy, Domain.com, any of the platforms that you use. It'll give you simple, clear instructions of just what you need to do to make the updates to connect your website. Once that's all set, your domain will be connected. You can activate your trial. It's a 7-day free trial, and then it's only $9 a month after that to have this simple professional website that you can use to market your business. So once you're finished using the editor, you can always stop editing to preview what it looks like without those update sections. And just like that, you can see we really quickly and easily created a simple professional website for a pool cleaning service in just about an instant. So you'd be ready to go to launch this to help market your business. That's all it takes. Click on the link below to start your free trial.